A big hello to everyone, this is Tatyana and welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so yet, then make sure to subscribe and ring the bell in order not to miss out on any of these videos. In today's video, we are correcting these 7-week-old nails. As you can see, my client's nails are more than ready to be redone. One of them has completely broken off and there is some lifting on the middle finger that was caused by a hit. However, despite all of this, I am really pleased at how great the finish has held on, and it still looks pretty good after 7 whole weeks. I'm filing down the finish to a thin backing with my nail drill, not only because of the lifting, but also to test a new base. I've also removed quite a bit of the length with my nail drill and have filed down the lifting on the middle finger. The natural nail has also suffered some, however we will be covering it up with some new material which will allow it to grow out beautifully and pain-free. We've decided to go with a narrow oval shape today, so with my nail file I'm creating that shape and also lightly going over the natural nail for adhesion for the material. Further, I am taking my rounded nail bit, which works great for this client's nails. The sidewalls are quite rough, so I'm not going to even try cleaning this up with the red notch abrasion. For that, I will be using another bit. I've cut off the cuticle and now I will be using the rounded ball bit with medium abrasion to clean up the sides. I've also lowered the RPMs to 12,000. Now it's time to wipe down the nail plates and apply a dehydrator. When it comes to a dehydrator, I haven't noticed a big difference between them from different companies. They all seem to work about the same. Further, I am applying a non-acidic primer and base. I'm applying the base coat first in a thin coat and then allowing them to cure underneath the lamp. My client's nails are rather flat and don't have much of an arch, so I need a rather large amount of material for leveling them. For the alignment, I will be using a camouflage base and further this beautiful deep purple for our color. I've applied the camouflage in a thin coat, but still enough in order for proper leveling, allowing our color to go on smoothly and evenly. It is important not to make any of the layers of base too thick in order for the nails not to look unnatural. My client loves rich colors like this one, and I think this purple is not just perfect for spring, but also summer. I'm coating her nails twice with intermediate drying. And now for our design. On a small color palette, I'm mixing our main color with a white, creating 3 different shades and drawing the contour for a rose from a beautiful bouquet. When drawing this rose, I'm just creating some larger petals, some smaller ones, folding them here and there, and getting it exactly to where I want it. Now for some brighter accents. I'm mixing these 2 colors here, orange and yellow, and adding a bit of white. With these colors, I'm creating another slightly different rosebud, which will be on the index finger, and another one slightly peeking from behind our main rose. After letting it dry, we are filling in the main rose with color, leaving the outline still nice and visible. Now I am simply highlighting the edges of the petals and pulling that color throughout the petal with my artist brush. I've allowed this to dry, and now I'm ready for some shadowing, focusing on the inner parts of the petals. Finishing our beautiful rose, I'm using a little bit of white to create some definition. This really makes the design stand out more. I'm now ready to coat our nails in a top coat. As for our flowers, I will be coating them in a matte finish, as a glossy finish would take away from the design's definition. After letting them dry, I'm removing any sticky residue and going over the white contour again for a little more depth. I had so much fun completing this manicure today, and my client's nails look so fresh and beautiful. Drawing flowers is definitely one of my favorites. As we are in quarantine now, my clients have been sending me updates of their nails, and there's no lifting, and so far they still look great. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then please give it a big thumbs up, and until next time.